Then you got your instructions that tell you how to put everything together. It looks like with both sides on, looking pretty nice. Besides this brake line in the way for the rear, but that's actually, I think that's long enough now. Won't be tipping it very easy. So now we gotta, if we want to, we can tighten those down, but we're gonna put on the suspension stuff next. So we got the shocks on now. Get everything tightened up some. We can't completely tighten it because we gotta get that put back right there. But it's looking really good. Got stickers put on them. Put those on, looks really nice. Got the widening, and I think it's gonna be pretty nicely width. The width is gonna be nice sitting on it and everything. I think it's gonna be wide enough. Got your spacers for the front and back on there. Gotta put it on this side too. We got that suspension put on, we put that sticker on. It's looking nice and coming along. Finally got the old 250 engine ready to be cleaned, ready to be taken in. Just clean the oil off the bottom. So we got it torn down to there. We got all those cleaned up sitting right there. So now I gotta pop the side off and get this cleaned off up here. Get everything cleaned up. So we've gotten the flywheel off. All we did was use a bolt instead of buying a $58 part. We just bought a bolt, the right thread size, and just thread it out, and it just pushes it out. So yeah, now we're down to there. I was working on sanding or cleaning it off, and yeah, just gotta clean it up some more, make it look nice, so we can put it in that nice looking frame and everything. So, got it split there. Got that, I showed you last time, the clutch being taken apart. That was on, I can't remember which side. It was on the other side. This side, all your clutch and everything, that's all taken off over here. It's all nicely taken apart. And that's split now. You got your piston, everything here. Looks really nice. Actually, it doesn't look that bad in there compared to what you think it would look like. Actually looks pretty good. I think it's just your clutches and that are getting ruined. I got some pictures, but I didn't get videos, but we got all this put in there. We got the gears put in, we got this put in, all that put in. You can see in there. Now I got the two cases put together and gasket looking really nice. And now we got to figure out all this stuff, everything that goes, your cam goes in there, and you got to figure out all this, and then you got to tighten those bolts up. But all we did was just clean it with parts cleaner. So then I got our oil pump, our cams in there to the right. We temporarily had to put this side on so we could tell the, I don't know if you can see in there, tell the T, the top dead center. So I'm gonna put the tensioner, that on. I'm gonna put all that stuff on. So we have the engine to this point, and we have that cleaning up right there.